Sip Hooray, and today is all about decorating your table. I love having a decorated table. In fact, I try to keep a decorated table almost all the time. I just think it's so fun, and it's not the everyday table. This is my dining room table, so I can keep it set up and it looks pretty, and I keep place settings out, and it just makes me feel warm and festive when I walk by the dining room. But just because it's in your dining room does not mean that you have to use all your fine china. I love my fine china. I think it's beautiful. However, I hate hand washing dishes, especially when I have a crowd over. So there is absolutely nothing wrong with using paper plates. One of the tricks that I like to do to make paper plates look a little bit fancier here is using a charger. So this is a plastic charger. I think it was about $3 at Target. I then take a plain china white paper plate. This is a heavier duty paper plate, so when people go to serve, it isn't going to just break in half and fall down. And then what I like to do is get a themed dessert plate. This is kind of flimsy. A lot of times these types of plates are, but I put it right there in the center, and as you can tell, it just makes it look very festive and very fun. The gold charger just adds it a little something to it. It makes it seem fancier. And then also, I just set right on top so that you guys can see the full effect, is some wrapped plastic silverware. This is from the silverware technique that I showed about a month ago. I'll put a link in the blog to that old post so that you guys can see it too. On the table, I just put really fun stuff. This is decorated for Easter, so I have some random little Easter eggs laid out on the table. I went to the dollar store for the kids that are coming over, and this is like some sort of like smash balloon where they can pop it and it explodes. And then I have little gifts for the folks that are coming over. These are little tiny bunnies. This was on our Facebook and Instagram the other day. They're gold lint bunnies with the little carrots. There's big ones and little ones, and they just make for really nice decor on the tabletop. It does not have to be expensive. You can take cheap little items and just pair them with a few accessories like a gold charger, and you will be set up and have just a beautiful tablescape. And when people come over, they're gonna ooh and goo and love it. And I think you'll enjoy setting up a little bit early and taking some time and just enjoying it yourself for you and your family. So anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Saturday, and don't forget to go out and download Sip Hooray Presents an Easter Brunch. You still have one more day for Easter, so there's still plenty of time to prep for it. Thanks guys, have an awesome day.